Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, I'm Goodness Igwam, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create this quick nude lip tutorial on your lips in less than 5 minutes. So if you're interested in knowing how I got my lips looking like this, then definitely want to keep on watching. So with that, let's get right into the video. I am making use of the Huda Beauty Gel Eyeliner in the shade brown. It comes with a stick for easy application, so there is no need for an extra brush. So I begin outlining my lips with the Huda Beauty Gel Eyeliner. You want to think of this as a borderline that you are creating for your lips, so that whatever product you're applying does not go past this line that you have created. So once you're satisfied with the amount of gel you've applied on your lips, you begin to blend to take away all the harsh lines created. You can start with the blush, and if you like, you might want to go ahead to smack your lips after using the brush. So this is what you should have right now. Next, I'll be using the Nude Beauty High Gloss Lipstick to create the nude base for this look. I like to apply it in small quantity first, then build up so that I can easily blend it out and not end up having more than I need on my lips. So notice how I blend after each application. And when I notice that it's not blending the way I want, I make use of my fingers as long as everything looks flawless at the end of the day. You can go over this until you get the desired look of your choice. Then I go back with my Huda Beauty Gel Eyeliner to restore the brown edges that have been covered up in the course of my blending. Then I blend it all up again to try to remove any harsh lines that may exist. So this is how it should look like if you're doing it right. Next, we are going to apply the Absolute Long Lasting Lip Gloss onto our lips. I love to apply it onto my bottom lips first because there's more room for the product there. Then I get the excess onto my upper lip. So while doing this, I ensure that the gloss gets to every part of the lip. In the course of doing this, you might experience this. Don't panic. I'll show you how to get rid of this. Just get your paper towel or baby wipes like I'm using and place it in between your lips and smack your lips together, and this is taken care of. This is how we are looking right now. So once more, I go back to reapplying the brown gel. Then I clean up the excesses that may form when I'm trying to get this done. So guys, this is the finished look, and this is how we are supposed to be looking. Oh my god, I am in love with how I'm looking. Like, is it just me? Is it just me? Like, hair giving, brows giving. You can wear this look to church, to work, to run some errands. I may have a 9 to 5 and I don't look like shit. This look would do it for you, basically. Even if you don't want your face to be all made up, with these lips alone, it works for you. I'm telling you this because this is how I do my things every day. These lips, I have them on every day, 24/7. I'm like there's no day I don't have my lips looking like this. That it has gotten to the point where people think this is how I was born. I don't blame them, because I mean it kind of blends with my inner lip, so it's still like within my skin. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to give this tutorial a try, and when you've given it a try, let me know how many next you were able to step on in the course of the day. Before I film this video, I just finished filming a video on how I got my whole face put together like this, excluding my lips, because I had to do this video. For you to watch that next video, you would have to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on your bell notification so that when I drop that video, you'll be among the first people to get notified, so they can look. I love this makeup tutorial because I didn't require so much products to use, and don't get me wrong, you don't have to exactly use everything I used. If you have some things that are like similar to what I used in this video, you can try it out. As long as they're looking like this, that is the goal. You don't have to copy exactly the product I use. If you want to, it's not a bad thing basically, but if you can't afford or you can't get rich of those products I use in this video, you can basically make do of whatever you have. Just ensure that you're looking this snatched. I love this lips because it's quick to do, doesn't require so much timing, and I don't have to start by thinking of what brush do I have to use. Like, I mean, I have 10 fingers for a reason, and my fingers are there to help me blend, like how I blended in this video, because you saw how it was not blending proper, and my baby girl just see, nobody has time to waste. I just use my hand to just blend everything off, you get. So it requires like 0 to none product except the actual things that you are going to work with, and in like 5 minutes you're done. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on your bell notification so that when I drop my next video on how I can create my everyday makeup no makeup look, you'll be the first to get notified. So with that guys, bye for now.